a bad apple, like, or the bad things, that people have to like feel and experience, and those emotions are real. We're not saying that I'm not saying the emotion is not real. Being angry or being sad or being despondent and stuff like that, these are things that will happen in your life eventually, somewhere along the line. But if you choose the other side, there's just so much more fruit on that side waiting for you to be enjoyed. Why not give it a go?
And also just the understanding that you have that so many people don't realize that it's a choice that you choose to be happy, you
Exactly.
choose to be angry.
Your choice. No one else
Yes,
can choose for you. Your choice.
You,
100%.
you know, we speak often about people who are so oblivious that always somebody else's fault. Everything
Mm-hmm.
that goes on in their life, oh, I don't get enough time on the field because the coach doesn't like me. I don't get enough time because I'm too old. I don't get it. Then there's all these stories when in actual fact you're just making the wrong choices. So choose to be
Yep.
happy, choose to do the right things. And like you say, we're not saying we do that all the time. I most definitely don't make the right choices all the time. I'm not happy and sunshine every single day. But
Mm.
on the days where I have the power to change my own mood and change my own perspective of the world, I choose to do that because I choose to live a life that is happier and fuller